Your outdoor space is more than just an extension of your home, it's your private escape. In 2025, patio and garden interiors are all about blending comfort, nature, and elegance, creating cozy outdoor vibes that feel like a personal retreat. Whether you have a small balcony, a spacious garden, or a rooftop terrace, today we'll explore how to design a stylish outdoor space that is relaxing, functional, and effortlessly beautiful. 1. The foundation: comfortable outdoor furniture. Every cozy patio starts with the right furniture. In 2025, the trend is moving toward modular outdoor seating, natural materials, and soft, layered textures. Think rattan sofas, wooden loungers, or metal framed sets paired with weather-resistant cushions and neutral fabrics. Add an outdoor rug to anchor the space and create that indoor comfort in an open-air setting. Design tip: mix lounge chairs with side tables or poofs to create flexible seating arrangements for both relaxing and entertaining. 2. Warm lighting for evening ambience. Lighting can transform any outdoor space into a magical retreat. Use a mix of string lights, lanterns, pathway lights, and solar-powered lamps to create a soft, inviting glow. Warm lighting not only enhances the mood but also highlights your plants and decor beautifully. For a modern look, add LED strips under furniture edges or around planters for subtle sophistication. Design tip: avoid harsh white light, stick to soft amber tones for that cozy, romantic vibe. 3. Natural elements and greenery. Your garden or patio should feel alive. Add a mix of potted plants, vertical gardens, and hanging planters to bring color and freshness to your space. Natural greenery instantly relaxes the mind and makes even small patios feel lush. Consider low-maintenance plants like succulents or ferns if you're looking for easy upkeep. Design tip: combine plants of different heights and leaf textures to create visual depth and a tropical atmosphere. 4. Cozy textiles and layered comfort. To make your outdoor area feel truly inviting, layer it with soft, cozy textiles. Use throw blankets, outdoor cushions, and textured rugs to add warmth and comfort. Go for weatherproof fabrics that resist moisture and sunlight, ensuring durability without sacrificing style. In 2025, earthy tones, beige, terracotta, and muted greens dominate the color palette for a natural and calming look. Design tip: mix patterns carefully. One bold print with subtle textures keeps things balanced yet stylish. 5. Shade and privacy solutions. Privacy is key to relaxation. Add pergolas, outdoor curtains, bamboo screens, or shade umbrellas to create a private and comfortable area. These elements also provide shelter from sunlight and enhance the overall design. A pergola draped with fairy lights or climbing plants can instantly give your patio a luxury resort feel. Design tip: choose natural materials like wood or fabric over metal for a softer, more organic look. 6. Functional zones and layout. Even in small outdoor spaces, zoning is important. Divide your area into functional sections: a lounge area for relaxation, a dining zone for meals, and maybe a small corner for reading or meditation. This structured layout helps you make the most of every inch while keeping the design clean and cohesive. Design tip: use planters, rugs, or lighting changes to subtly define each zone. 7. Decor details that make a difference. Luxury lies in the details. Add sculptural decor, candles, lanterns, or even a small water feature for a spa-like feel. Wall art made for outdoor use or decorative mirrors can add personality and reflect light beautifully. Don't forget to include a touch of nature. Seashells, driftwood, or stone decor pieces bring warmth and texture. Design tip: stick to a consistent theme, whether it's modern minimal, boho chic, or Mediterranean inspired for a cohesive look. 8. Seasonal and weatherproof touches. In 2025, sustainability and smart materials are key. Choose furniture and fabrics that can withstand Dubai's weather, heat, humidity, and dust. Consider outdoor covers, waterproof materials, and UV-protected finishes to keep your setup looking fresh year-round. Design tip: store cushions indoors or in waterproof bins when not in use to extend their life. A stylish patio or garden doesn't just enhance your home's look, it enhances your lifestyle. By combining comfortable seating, warm lighting, lush greenery, and natural decor, you can create an outdoor retreat that feels like a luxury escape. Whether you want a modern terrace, cozy balcony, or a complete garden makeover, it's all possible with the right design vision. For custom outdoor furniture, pergola installations, and elegant patio designs, visit fixitdubai.ae, your trusted destination for outdoor and indoor transformations. Turn your outdoor space into a haven of comfort and style only with Fixit Dubai, where design meets relaxation.